Blood clean.
I'm gonna tell you this, my friend. I say when me I drink rum, I drink for junkie here.
On no foot till the bug. Dreams are made of dreams. Who am I to disagree? One other. Everything good. Tell myself long time someone ain't gonna do this, you know. And I know me just start to get to it because I want brand new year now. Because a brand new year now, brother. You have to understand so we have to get to the bag in my youth. Because if we don't get to the bag, hope somebody go help with my youth. We're not gonna get no bag in my youth, you understand? We're not gonna get no help in the dog, so we have to get to the bag real quick. You know how long I've been telling people me I gonna make a YouTube channel from last year now. Link up Parry over there so somewhere and I'm telling him, hey, we're gonna make a YouTube channel. Yo, bro.
Why pray?
Yeah, brother. Yo, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel now.
Dog,
Yeah, man, wake up.
my youth, from last year you tell this.
Yeah, me know, me know, me did
My
say
youth,
it from
come
last
on,
year.
yo, me I say that, come on phone.
But hello? Hello. Happy New Year, by the way. But a brand new year, and we're not gonna start it off in such a manner. Probably wondering what we're doing over here on this channel. Well, we are gonna watch videos. We're gonna react to video. I'm gonna give my opinion on the video, and you're gonna leave your opinion down in the comment section. We're gonna start it off with some Jamaican TikTok video. Best videos of 2021. Well, I saw them claim it to be, so we see about that. Cool, movements.
Hey, what's up, man? Let me go ahead and get a number.
Boy, oh no, not this summer now.
What kind of milk would you like with that? Yeah, I only drink almond milk. Can I get some
What?
almond milk?
Why?
They just said, you want almond milk?
Yeah.
Mark, yo, hear the man say. Man
Yo.
say you want every man milk to blood.
Hey, I didn't say. When did you hear me say that?
That you say you want almond milk.
Yeah,
bro.
almond milk.
Yeah, man, fish. Yo, you want every man? That him I say. Dirty boy, that man. Dirty boy, free.
Yo, Mark, your kitchen dirty still in the man. Me not like.
No milk from man over here. You have to move your bumbucker. You have to move.
But
No. Hey, you have to go next door in a yard. No, hey, listen to me.
So while on it, some of the eyelash fall off already, I will not start no festivities yet. I offer eyelash, I go walk on and find out that
Yeah, you know, say she have that voice there, dog. You know. Yeah, when you hear a woman talk like that, she not up to no good. You know? When she start drag her word them, Becky, where you put the ladder? Me need the ladder because me can't reach the food on the top shelf. You see when they're upset now, this is when they start talk really fast. How about that boy there? Yo, tell the boy say me not want him round here. Tell the boy, hey boy, leave me, hey.
This man alone save money. A real man give a man everything.
right this way. But here I am, biggie, mama. Right this way, follow me.
Ambitions them big.
Open that truck, mama.
Open that truck for you. No, when she say man give her everything, what me find everything to be? That you mean? Because if I that the case, what like that?
Their
Let me tell you
Jamaican
this, let me
kids
tell you
back
this.
home when they
We're
receive
rich
the money.
and boasty around here.
Would you swap?
Yo, boy, not lying. No. When we go to stay so disgusting, dog. When it come to Joe, Jamaicans just stay one different type of way, you know. Cold, you flip. No, me not have no heater. Me have heater, but me not want any on. I don't want that. Me not want to use that the heater. Me want a different heater. Me want electric heater. Electric. You want to plug in a wall. No, get them the heater. Me just moving at this place. Leave me alone. Shit.
Girl said she wanted something fancy for dinner, so today I'm making a French dish called macaron in tomato sauce, pairing it with plantains and mashed patantin. This was inspired by my hometown in the Garasson, which is in Paris. Baby loves international cuisine, so I'm sure she will love this one. Bon appetit.
Man just get a mackerel with mashed potato and planting, dog.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I really want to go to a party so bad. But not just any party. Like, I need one of them, like, straight reggae. You know, like, one of them, and a cinnamon bun.
What?
Or
What
like,
she has said?
Batman fighting Robin. Pull up. Hey, Robin, pull up.
How much joke she make? A half a joke she make. She can't be serious. She has to be making a joke just for the TikTok. There is no way this girl listen to them song here and hear that.
Something like that. Or like, Slew them got that ice cream with the cherries. Like, come on now, them parties was lit.
What she just said? Slew them got the ice cream with the cherry. I want them a can here say. Brother. Yeah, boy. Man, I go for a slush it. You find a different method to put the sausage in.
Oh,
Stop using toothpaste. Stop using mouthwash.
Yeah, man, and if you want to smell good, as me, just stop it, as me. When I need soap and water, just hold up your hand them so in the breeze.
Yeah.
And I make the breeze just clean out, as me.
Yes.
What you do?
Somebody in a Walmart a while ago, right? I up on the phone with my mother, asked my mother what she said she want. Mother said, yo, take up two of the biscuit them. So I said, all right, mommy. I hung up the phone, then one white lady come beside me. Oh my God, you got an accent. Where are you from? So I said, oh, I'm from Jamaica. She's like, oh, really, Jamaica? I've heard a lot about that place. But I have a question. I was like, yeah, what's up? She said, do you guys have water? Me said, no, mama. We don't use water. We'll be eating something called suck your mother. And she was like, what? Suck your mother? Me say, yes, we'll be eating something called suck your mother. We turn on the pipe and a beer suck your mother come out. For blood clot.
Yeah, man. You want me to top that? Me can top that, you know. I've heard these questions. I've heard something, and me did have to wonder if they were just making a joke or when they just went a troll. But no, one woman asked me, you ready for this? The woman said, but Jamaica is in Africa, right? Woman asked me, the woman asked if Jamaica in Africa. The woman.
A few moments later.
Stepfather, you TikTok videos.
Why? What is? Oh shit. A simple 2-second audio put me on the commission. Get your blow out. Yeah, you see when Jeans there did forward, around the clock. I don't know about Uno, but me never want to be that kid that forward for Jeans there without the jeans. If me come to school and realize see a jeans there, me ready for turn back and go back. Go home, I rather be late than come to school without the jeans. Brother, you don't understand. The gimmicks, don't wear the jeans come to school. Oh my God, the gimmicks, the styles. Man, move a certain way, man, be like, why pray now?
Yeah, you know, some there, man.
Yeah, you're looking a bit jeansless, dog.
Yeah, me remember if you put on jeans to them, man.
You're looking a bit naked, man.
Brother.
So, this is my dog Tano, and he actually isn't a breed. And inevitably, anytime I say that, people...
It's a mongrel I have, miss. But them cute.
What is the biggest waste of money?
Blood man. Yo, yeah, like a motor go up and down like a Bobby Riley over there. You hear it? Yeah, what is? Hold on. Bomb clean, just a loud to in youth. Loud. Man figure out when we see money pan. But watch now. Yeah, man, I say. Me I gotta cut the video here because it's going too long now. I got to do what I need to do. Make sure it says that. I never put too much thought in the video there. I just want to go with the flow. And me quite enjoy myself hoping to do it too. Me see you up on the next one. And me out. Come off of my channel.
Slew them got the ice cream with the cherries.